tonight we are losing this fight, oh hell, so tonight is no one outside.
What's up guys? People are always showing their interest to download free applications available in the store instead of paid apps. Sometimes, you can also find some of the well-paid applications available in the store to download. However, no one has the interest to download paid apps often. So, the users are ardently wanted to download and install the applications for free. We can also see that most of them trying to find out the solution for downloading the paid apps for free. In the end, none of the applications are supportive for iOS devices to download paid apps at free of cost. But, here is a way for the interested users to make use of it. We could see a lot of applications available, but none of them endows with the best solution. Nevertheless, you can handle it with App Store. You can download any applications and games for free. The major highlight of this App Store is where you can download the paid applications for free. App Store is an alternative to the App Store that offers modified and cracked iOS paid apps for free. It is home to some of the most useful free iOS apps that Apple's official store doesn't have. The best part is you don't need a jailbroken device to install App Store. You can download many alternative apps on your iOS device, but the App Store plays a vital role and better than other apps. If you are an iOS user but seeking for paid applications for free, then it is always the best solution for you to download and install at any time.